So for me, I think when I'm sitting here and I'm processing this and I'm thinking, because with my son on the spectrum, like I'm thinking there has to be a variation of all of this, that sometimes a child may have all of these things. So I really appreciate you sharing that with me, because for me it helps me understand truthfully better. Um, and as a parent, I wonder, how can we identify signs of a learning difference in our child, and at what age should we start looking for these signs?
I think the sooner we start, the better. I can give you an example. Again, a very loving, caring child brought to me after he wrote a suicidal note that he does not want to live anymore. And he came to me, and both parents were physician, very high accomplished, and they have been trying their best to provide the tutor, to provide the services, to make sure he has playtime, he has good vacation, he has good summer break. But he has been consistently struggling in math. And these parents, for them, math is, both parents are really good at math. So for them, how can their child, it's hard for their child to, not good at math. So the child have been labeled lazy, unappreciative, spoiled, and they have learned from other friend, you should push him hard, you should get this tutor. And the other siblings are excelling in math and in other subjects, and so gradually, and it has been happening for a couple of years. So this child consistently have been compared with other kids, consistently have been labeled as lazy, unappreciative, spoiled. Consistently, parents have been telling, how hard they are working to help him and how much they want. And they are telling you that, they can see the potential because he's excelling in so many good things, but he can do so that additional pressure. And finally, when he started this year's school and he was struggling the same thing, he had a good summer break, he has a lot of, he can do better, and he tried, and then he again failed in math test. So now he was thinking, I am an embarrassment for my parent. I am not good enough because the self-esteem has been consistently being low. And he wrote a suicide note, I want to die. So again, 10-year-old, I would say around that age that was. So the sooner we identify, and what are the signs? If your child is consistently struggling in one area, despite, your all efforts, and the child may have been doing relatively better consistently in other subjects. So those are signs, that there may be some learning disability, either reading, either writing, either English, either math, either comprehension, or or some other differences as well.